In this video, I'm going to show you a more advanced feature inside of Windows 10. I do not recommend running this tool if you are not a computer technician or are willing to accept the risks in using this tool. Now to start, we're going to open up our command prompt as an administrator, and we're going to take the shortcut and type in CMD down here, and then run as administrator. We're going to allow it access to change our computer. And now we have our command prompt open as an administrator. Now when I run DISM tool, I type in DISM space / online space / cleanup as one word - image space / and I use restore health, and then press enter. Now this tool often takes a little while, so we will not wait for it to finish, but it will either successfully complete or give us an error code. Again, this is a very advanced tool and do not recommend it unless you are told by a computer technician or your IT support to run this. And this has been a video by nephew.tech.com, and I hope you've learned something.